Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in a new video, and in this video I'm gonna introduce you to a new AI which I personally think that it have the most natural and realistic vocal music generator. TopMediai AI. So guys, this is the interface of TopMediai AI music generator, and it's very simple and very easy to use. So in the front row we have three different options to generate music. The first one is lyrics to music generator, and then the second one is image to music, and the last one is prompt to music. And it have generation mode in which you can able to choose from different AI models to generate music. So let's generate a song using prompt to music option. So let's describe our song. So our description part is done. Now we are going to select the voice, and we get different options to choose voices from, or we can able to generate our own new singer.
There's a number I know. Say the weirdest things, I'm at your tone, like we've all.
You walk my way. For real, oh, I'm still the illest high.
And I'm gonna choose Ilera because I found her voice very sweet to listen. Now let's see what comes out. Now it will take few seconds to generate the song. So our song is ready now, let's give it a listen.
I was too dumb to see the signs. Her smile a riddle I couldn't define. Now I walk with shadows in my chest. Breathing feels like a cruel joke. Every inhale tastes like smoke. Spoken riddles, I answered wrong.
So as you guys heard that the song is sounding amazing and professional, and as I told you guys, the TopMediai AI generate with the most realistic and natural type of vocals, which makes the music more amazing. And after clicking the three dots, you can able to change the artist, extend the song, and change the language also. And if you are a music producer, you are going to amaze by checking the options in download. It gives all the necessary audio files related to the song, which really helps in music mixing or music editing. So guys, this is TopMediai AI, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel for future videos. Have a nice day guys, bye bye.